Hello guys, I am Nandakumar Mahajan, a civil engineer by profession, as well as Autodesk certified professional in Revit architecture, Revit structure, Revit mechanical, and Revit MEP electrical. Today we are going to learn Revit in details. Basically, this is a primary design tool focused on engineers who need to take building analysis and generating documentation. This is useful application for architects, civil engineers, mechanical engineers, as well as electrical engineers. Over the course of this video, we'll see how to start the project, where to find the commands, usefulness of the commands, how to set up a model for building analysis and generating documentation. This is a startup screen which is divided into projects and families. This is the left part. These are the sample projects as well as sample families. This area is for the resources, for help, for videos which will guide you, which can guide you, as well as the different methods to help. Basically, this is the menu bar. Now this area where you can find the commands for new projects, families, as well as you can open the existing projects, families from these commands. You can save as the created projects also. Now there is one section at the bottom of this thing is options, where you can customize, rather you can say. In general, you can save reminder for internal, save reminder interval for the time span. You can change here also. As well as there is a user interface, customization of the user interface. You can customize the interface from here only. You can use the graphics things, like what will be the display, what will be the colors. Here you can see your hardware configuration. In file locations, you can see the existing templates which are already there, or you can add yours also from this clicking add value. There are the number of paths for the family templates as well as for the libraries also. This area is for renderings, check spellings, view cube. So this is all about options. Now you can open the existing sample projects from here, or you can create a new one also by using new, by taking the none or the any one of the templates from this. Okay, you can create the new one. The architectural template means you will get the by default architectural required things here. Like now this is the whole user interface. Here this is the menu bar. This is the quick access toolbar. This is menu bar. This is ribbon. You can get the same commands from the menu bar or from the ribbons also. So this zone is nothing but the drawing area. where you will be drafting something within the range of these four cameras. This is the camera of south direction, north direction, east, west. This is properties palette dialog box. Whatever component will generate here of architectural structural systems, we can change the parameters of that particular components from this properties dialog box. This is project browser, rather you can say the project database. This basically can be docked on the other side also. Now this is properties dialog box, whereas this is project browser. Now we'll see how this can be adjusted in one another, as well as you can dock at the left side of the screen. Just drag here to this properties dialog box, and you can see this is properties dialog box. Now you can take it on from view, user interface. Now this is properties dialog box. This can be dragged like this here. So now this is properties dialog box. This is project browser. This is status bar, where you can set the scale of the sheet, as well as this is detail level, this is for visual styles, and so on. So this is status bar, properties dialog palettes, project browser, drawing area, ribbon, menu bar, as well as quick access toolbar. Now there is one thing which is missing here, which can be opened when you take some command. Architecture. Now the wall component, there are n number of wall components like architectural, structural, wall by face, and so on. We will be just taking just from a wall architectural, and in properties dialog box you will find n number of walls, different wall here. As soon as we take some of the walls, you will find there is a more thing which is on the screen now, is called as option bar. These are the options for particular this basic wall. You can change the height here, as well as you can say whether it is connected or not connected, justifications, as well as the offset you can give here. Now this is the option bar, you can say. Other than this, now there is, everyone has got his own way of working, so you can use the customization of the user interfaces. User interface. Now, first of all, we see how to customize the quick access toolbar. Now, this is basically the quick access toolbar, where you can customize this quick access toolbar from here. Now, there are n number of quick access commands which are separated here, right? So you can adjust this quick access toolbar at the top of the ribbon or the bottom of the ribbon, like this. Okay. Now this is adjusted at the bottom of the ribbon. Now if I want to add some of the commands to this access toolbar, you can go to architectural, wall, any command, and now you can say right click. Sorry, now you can right click and add to quick access toolbar. Now this is added in basically the quick access toolbar. If you don't want here, then that can be removed also, like remove from the quick access toolbar. So this is all about basically the main user interface of the Revit. Now the last thing which we can shift these menu bar commands to left or right, like I basically I need structural as the primary one, then hold the control key and drag this to the position where you need it. This is all about these things. Thanks. So this is enough for today.